Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is code in Python, please. TTBank has gift card and they come in three different denominations: $10, $30, and $50. Jugg has collected a lot of them. Jugg would like to use N cards by an item which costs M dollars. However, he does not want to leave a remaining balance on any cards he chooses. How many different ways in Jugg able to buy the item? Input format: the first line contain two integers n. Mn is the number of cards and M is the cost of that item. Output format: an integer responding the number of different ways to buy the item using the exact number of cards required. Sample input 480, sample output 2. Explanation: Jugg must use 4 cards to buy an $80 item. There are two ways to do this: two $10 gift card and two $30 gift cards. 10 plus 10 plus 30 plus 30 is equal to 80. Third, 3 10 gift cards and 1 50 gift card. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 50 is equal to 80. And the answer of the question is certain below is a Python code to solve the problem. Python def count ways and m denominations is equal to 10, 30, 50 ways is equal to 0 multiplied by m into m plus 1 ways 0 is equal to 1 for card in dominations. For I in range card m plus 1 ways I plus is equal to ways into I minus card return ways m number input n comma m equal to map int comma input dot split output print count ways n comma m. You can run this code, input the values of for n and m. It will output the number of different ways Jugg can buy the item using the exact number of cards required. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.